Visita hari vänta, nu spela lite Dota.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to talk to you about the OnePlus 6 specifications. So let's get started. The OnePlus 6 mobile features a 5.7-inch display with a screen resolution of 1440 into 2560 pixels and runs on Android V 8.0 Oreo operating system. The device is powered by octa-core processor paired with 8 GB of RAM. Now let's check the camera and battery. The OnePlus 6 comes with dual front-facing camera that promises better selfies and video calling. The smartphone comes with two 16-megapixel front-facing cameras, which also is aided with an LED flash. At the back, the OnePlus 6 makes its mark with a powerful 23-megapixel primary camera, which can also be used for low-light photography and to shoot videos courtesy a dual LED flash. This camera supports Exmor RS CMOS sensor. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, gyroscope. So, does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. Onboard storage is at 128 GB with the option to expand the memory. The device is backed by a non-removable LiPo 3500 mAh cell, which is expected to last long. The battery on the device has support for the proprietary dash charge technology, which the company promises can recharge the battery up to 80% in just half an hour. Oh, it's quite interesting, right? So these are all the specifications of OnePlus 6. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like my video, please do subscribe. So let's see another video. Till then, bye.